Another useful feature of our software are snapshots, which provide a read-only copy of the data. Let me show you how they can be taken with Open-E JovianDSS. I will start by showing how to create snapshots on the source server. Enter the backup and recovery and enter the backup task wizard. Here we have to choose the source of the data for our snapshots. You can also set how often the snapshots should be created and how long they should be kept on the source. The next step is choosing the destination server, for example, in order to send the snapshots to a remote location for backup. I will describe this process later on in the video. For now, I will use only the local backup. Once the snapshot task has been configured, go to the zpool options, and right now you can see the snapshots being created according to the plan you've set up. Now we can delete all the data from our zVol to simulate a real-life issue. The data is now gone, and I want to use the recently created snapshot to retrieve my data. In order to do it, I have to click on the snapshot options, where I have two possibilities to choose from. I can either carry out a rollback, which means that the remaining snapshots that are more recent than the one I am using will be deleted, or I can clone it first, which is a recommended procedure, especially if you want to see what is inside of a given snapshot. The clone will be attached to a new target, and a new volume will be created so that we compare the empty volume and the one which we have cloned. Yes, our data is there. As we've already mentioned, you can also set the destination as a remote server. In this case, we will use an external backup server. Here you can also adjust how long the snapshots should be kept on the destination server to avoid congestion. As snapshots can be kept locally or can be set over very long distances, even over the ocean. They work as a great backup tool and are a crucial part of our on- and off-site data protection solution. They allow you to retain the access and integrity of your data, even in extreme cases such as a lightning strike or a server theft. To stay up to date with the latest additions, follow our blog and YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and good luck with managing your data storage.